Okay, getting in and unhooking the wiring on the starters can be fairly difficult. One of the easiest things to do is to remove your fender well, inner fender there, a few bolts, a nut or two, and you're in. little bit of a job to get it wormed out of there, but sure makes it easier. And then I just released the V clamp and the two bolts on my down pipe down there, and pulled that out of the way. So a little bit of preparation, getting crap out of your way, sure makes this difficult job slightly easier. Anyway, so getting to the battery cable itself, first of all, by the way, before you touch anything back in here, unhook your batteries, both of them, the negative terminals, because you're going to be right up against that cable, or you're pulling that cable off of the starter there, and it's directly hooked to the battery. You will arc something, scare the poop out of yourself, and probably burn something up. Anyway, unhook your batteries, and getting back in here with a wrench can be rather difficult with a ratchet or anything. So what I've done, don't be afraid to get creative. I've got two long extensions, and one of my favorite tools, simple tools, is a wobbly extension. You get just a little bit of movement out of your socket when it's back in there. And I came in from clear back here and reach all the way back. And this is a 16 millimeter for whatever reason, but there it is. And now I can reach with my ratchet clear back here and pull that off of there. And then let's see if I can get a shot there. There we go. That's your bracket. That's what you'll want to do next, is pull that guy off of there as soon as the cable's out of the way. This is my battery cable. So as soon as that's out of the way, then I'll be able to get that off. And then the tiny little guy, let's see, get my mechanic's pointer out here, and the tiny little guy of your starter switch is right there. So that's what you need to pull loose, and with all that back there loose, then your bottom bolts can come out, and then you can start the fun job of dropping it down.